Now let's first look at the string data type. I can add a text, string. You can even bold and change this to a header. String meaning I have some letters and numbers. I just put it together, add a quotation. I just wanted to use it as it is. For example, I can print hello. It will just mean hello. Or I can print ABC. It will just be ABC. Or I can even print a sentence. Python is fun. It will just print as how you type it. So this is a string. What can we do with strings? For example, if I have country equal to Singapore, I can do country dot capitalize, country dot upper, and country dot lower. You can see capitalize, it will change the first letter to capital letter and keep the rest as lowercase. Upper will change all letters to capital letters and lower will change all letters to lowercase. What else can we do? We can also check the length of the string. So I can print LEN stands for length. Length of country. I'll get 2 because I have 2 letters in SG. I can also print 2 strings together. I'll do print hello plus country. You can see it will print hello. Country is SG, so hello SG. Another way to do it is to use format. Print F. F stands for format. I'll type hello country. Because country is a variable, I'm going to use the curly bracket. So print, you will also get hello SG. So this is format, and this is a variable. Another fun thing we can do is, I can do hello times 5. If I do this and run the code, it will print hello 5 times.